Hey guys, this is Chia Creator with ChiaCreator.net here. Today we're going to be doing a full walkthrough of how to install the Chia Blockchain Client onto a Windows machine, onto a Windows computer. So I have here a Windows 10 machine, and follow along and we'll get you all the way through downloading the client, installing it, and going over what's inside. So first we're going to go to our web browser. So I'm going to click on the Chrome icon here, and we're going to navigate to Chia.net. So Chia.net is the official site of the Chia network, Chia Blockchain. And from here we can install the software client that we need to run a full node on our computer. So over here on the right hand side we have a link that says download install Chia Blockchain, and so we're going to click on that, and it brings us to an install page on GitHub, and it says here's some links to jump to. So we're going to jump down to Windows. So Windows, it says here install the Windows installer. So we have an installer here that's going to allow us to install the program. So I'm going to go ahead and download that. And as that finishes up, guys, we'll be able to run that installer, which will ultimately install the software client. So I'm going to click on that. We'll wait for that to open up. Okay guys, once that's open, it's going to say connecting to wallet. We have here, welcome to Chia, please log in with an existing key or create a new one. It may just automatically create a new one for you. So when it does, it's going to say Chia new wallet. It's going to generate some words, and these words are the mnemonic words that are going to be a seed, basically a seed for your private key. And so these are important to write down. These are important never to share with anyone. This is your only way of recovering the account. It's in a sequential order, so you need to remember the order that these words are in. You need to write them down. I recommend on paper. Do not put them into a digital file where they could be read by a malicious program on your computer. Keep these safe, guys. This is the only way, again, to recover your Chia wallet in case you lose it. So once you've written all of that down, we'll go ahead and continue here, hitting next. This may take a while, guys, so I'll go ahead and click back in later once this is done. Okay guys, once that section is complete, it's created your wallet. You now have the Chia Blockchain client installed to your computer. This is going to show you, the first page is the full node, so it shows you that you're running a full node. Here's the status of it. It's going to begin with 0 blocks synced, and these are blocks on the Chia blockchain. And one thing to remember is you do need to sync all of these before you're able to farm. So you, of course, will have to wait for this process to complete before you're able to farm. But in the meantime, you can go ahead and plot your plots. So plots are the unit in Chia that you farm. It's the unit that represents your stake in the network, your piece, your parcel of the network. So guys, you can go ahead and plot once this is installed, but you have to wait to farm until this is done syncing. Again, guys, this is the Chia Blockchain client for a Windows computer. Over here in the key section, you can see your keys. So here we just have one wallet here, one account. This is the public identifier. Private key, you can see the private key by clicking this, or you can delete it. I'm going to go ahead and show the private key because it's not important to me. This is not an account that this is not a wallet that I'm going to use. This is just all for demonstration purposes, but please never show anyone your private key. If someone gets access to your private key, they will be able to load your wallet, recover your wallet, and steal your Chia. So guys, never show your private key. Public key is fine. It's basically like a username in this context, but the private key is like a password. You never want to show that to anyone. Do not trust a service that asks for your private key. Just never give out your private key. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.